Mercy Chinwo and VDM saga continues. For those who doesn't know, Mercy Chinwo and VDM recently had their court case hearing 2 days ago, and VDM was nowhere to be found. Apparently, VDM's lawyer was present, but VDM is not there. So, according to VDM went to China, traveled to China, and the judge now ordered for the arrest of VDM. That is to say, VDM touch Nigeria now, they will arrest him. This matter is becoming something else. I don't know. Anyways, VDM has reacted to the effects of the trading news. Let's get to hear from him, and I will have my 2 cents to say, because honestly speaking, I don't know who is those behind Mercy Chinwo or advising her. Like, the way this whole thing is going, good. It's not good for her brand. Seriously.
All right, so in respect to this news that went viral yesterday, that the courts have ordered for my arrest. First things first, the judiciary cannot shut me down. A lot of you don't know, but there's a plot for the judiciary to shut me down. But I will resist it. Instead, I will expose all those people paying money for it. I will expose all of you. All those people forum shopping judges. And all those their illegal orders. I will expose all of you. Because tell me something. How can a man have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day? One lawyer have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day, and on that same day the judge ordered for my arrest. On that same day, after they told him, because my lawyer told him that this guy is not in Nigeria, my lawyer also told them that I have case in that same court and I have never missed a day. The lawyer told him that. As a matter of fact, I was even in China when they filed for that case. So I'm not around. And you're ordering for my own arrest. And I'm not even around. Not just that, on that same day when they order for my arrest, that was yesterday. Another court in Nyanya, High Court in Nyanya, is also issuing an injunction that I should not talk about Mercy Chinwo and Iziti matter again. Meanwhile, this other magistrate that ordered for my arrest have also issued an injunction that I should not talk about this case. Now, the one in Nyanya that issued that injunction was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. He was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. Now, again, if you go through that their case, the affidavit is very scanty. No reasonable person will give an order based on that affidavit, based on that case where they file. And they look the case and I'm like, what's going on here? Not just that, this ex parte that you people pass, this ex parte order, what did they call them? I thought the NJC, I've stopped that, I put a stop on that, and I've warned all judges to not do that ex parte thing anymore. So why is this judge in Nyanya, why is he doing it? I mean, you put a stop to this, why are they trying to do it? Me, like I said, the judiciary cannot shut me down. Instead, all those people paying for it. I go expose all of now. I don't get that time. Did you people take the case to a place where you have upper hand? No. Oh yes. Need I remind you people, I don't know about this case. Me, I'm giving my fair comments. Now she carried the case come online. Make everybody, oh my God, make everybody gather sympathy, start to the bash the guy. I saw the loopholes. Why did they cut and join the videos? Why did she bring Pastor Jerry Eze into it? Why did she bring Natalia Bassi into it? Again, she lied in that video. They said that the guy paid bloggers to say that her child is not her child. There was never a news like that. There was never a news like that. So you, Mercy, you are a liar. Do you understand? So no matter how you people lie, use your biggest influence. The truth is the truth. I know what you know they look for. You understand? They want the news. Oh, very dark man came to Nigeria, because their plan will be, if I come to Nigeria, may they handcuff me. They handcuff me, people go say, yes, oh, Messi don't win and all that, blah, 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 blah.
Well, on that aspect of a baby, there was a news. Rather, the news was that her child resembled Pastor Nat. That was the news. Okay? I guess Messi made a mistake on that aspect. And then the person that edited that video did not do his job very well. His or her job very well. He should have corrected it or asked Messi to refilm or re-record that aspect. So there was actually a news on that aspect.
Quote it 1 million times. It might be a coincidence to every other person, but it's not a coincidence to me. Number one, the EFCC prosecutor have done 2 shows that are on YouTube. Two shows. They don't go two shows together. He have done two shows with Mercy Chinwo's husband. He have done two shows. The EFCC prosecutor for this case. Not just that. The EFCC where arrest Izzy where they detain her for more than 8 days for Iloni. The zonal chairman there, now pastor for Redeem, just like the EFCC prosecutor. And guess what? When they opened the Ilorin branch, this EFCC prosecutor, where they in charge of this case between Mercy Chinwo and that zonal chairman there, who is also a pastor, they did together. And the both of them attend Redeem. It's not a coincidence to me. To sum it up, the judge were in charge of the case before, because he don't recuse himself. As he said the thing don't they cast online, he recuse himself. He not did the case again. That judge, they follow Mercy Chinwo for Instagram. Or, let me say, a name registered, an account registered with his name, rather, is following Mercy Chinwo on Instagram, but he don't go on follow now. It's not a coincidence. So there's abuse of power somewhere. Me, I dey stand against oppression. And
How do we settle this whole thing? When did we get here? This Mercy Chinwo and VDM issue. Initially, I said it, Mercy would have just pressed the ignore button and ignore VDM because VDM has nothing to lose, but Mercy has a brand, has a gospel. Gospel do not need all this saga, all this dragging in order to make them look, see people to see them bad and see them that they're not doing things right. Now that he's proving that you people are abusing power, which everybody now is intending to believe what VDM is saying. I don't understand. Who are those that are advising her, her team, and every other thing? Make una fear God though, because this whole thing is not good at this point. You people should think about Mercy and her reputation, her brand. I know, yes, she's already blessed. The Lord has blessed her and have set her on high. But at the same time, we human beings, the public or the audience, are not, we don't need all this talker on it. You okay? With VDM coming out to have a proof or have a thing to say, people are even giving him more reasons to make people to believe what he's saying. Why all that for his arrest? As in, I don't understand though. Honestly, at this point, I think whatever you people need to do in order to make sure that you ignore this boy, it should be necessary, to be important. I don't know for any other person, but I think all those issues started because of money. Yes, that is the honest fact. And started from Mercy Chinwo's ex-manager. Mercy should have just faced the ex-manager and let them settle whatever they had instead of this VDM case.